Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Abhishek and in this video I am going to show you how to remove line breaks in Excel. So as you can see, I have some address in column A which have 4 parts and each part is separated by a line break. Normally we use trim function to remove all the unnecessary spaces, but in this case, since this is a line break, not an extra space, that's why trim function will not help. Now to remove the line breaks, I am going to copy this data to column B so that my original data will remain as is, and I'll click on Ctrl H, which will take us to find and replace dialog box. Now the first option is find what, where we need to find the line break, and to add a special character for line break you have to enter Ctrl J. As you can see, when you press Ctrl J, then the cursor has been removed and there's a blinking dot which is an indicator for line break character. Now I want to replace this with comma and space so that when the line break is removed, my address will be connected with comma and space button. Once this is done, I'll click on replace all, and all the replacement is done. I'll close this window and you can see my address is connected with comma and space and the line break is removed. So this is how you can quickly remove line breaks in Excel using find and replace. That's 2-minute Excel tips for you guys. I hope you will find this useful. Share it with others if you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.